Good morning, students. Periodic properties we are doing for periodic table. First is atomic and ionic radius. Second, we had completed ionization enthalpy. Now the third is electron gain enthalpy. This chapter I told you earlier, this is very important for basics for the 12th. Even if you are going to give NEET or G exam, always you will have one question from this chapter. और अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं भी हो तब भी दिस इज बेसिक फॉर 12th standard. Without this chapter we are not able to do S block, P block, D and F block elements. And very much important, so be concentrate on it. अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई करो इस चैप्टर को, बेसिक एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए, तब जाके आपको 12th standard में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Clear students? Now third periodic property we are doing, that is electron gain enthalpy. As name suggests, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन मतलब वन इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड होगा. सपोज इन अ न्यूट्रल गैसियस एटम we add one electron, then negative ion will be formed, anion will be formed, and energy will be released. That released energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Suppose this is the neutral gaseous atom. Okay, these are different orbits. And this is neutral gaseous atom. If we are giving one electron to this neutral gaseous atom, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्हें आपो, तो एनर्जी रिलीज થઈ જાય. The released energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. जितनी ज्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज होगी, कब रिलीज होगी ज्यादा एनर्जी? जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन देने से ये एटम स्टेबल होगा. इलेक्ट्रॉन आप दो और एटम स्टेबल बन जाए तो मैक्सिमम एनर्जी वुड बी रिलीज्ड. इस एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए ही नहीं, ऑलरेडी स्टेबल है, और आप जबरदस्ती इलेक्ट्रॉन दोगे तो एनर्जी रिलीज नहीं होगी. एनर्जी सामने थी आपके ऊपर से. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी? इट इज एनर्जी रिलीज्ड व्हेन अ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एडेड to neutral gaseous atom. To neutral gaseous atom means it is exothermic. Electron gain process is exothermic. Energy is released. मतलब electron gain enthalpy value કેવી આવશે? Negative આવશે. જેટલી વધારે negative electron gain enthalpy, એટલું તમારે electron આપવાથી જે atom છે એ stable બનશે. Okay, so it is the amount of energy released when electron is added to the neutral gaseous atom. Ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy are opposite in sign. Ionization enthalpy is the energy required when one electron is removed. Here, electron is added, energy is released. Suppose we have sodium. When one electron is removed, sodium ion is formed. The ionization enthalpy is, for example, 5.3 electron volt. Then, if we add one electron to sodium ion to get sodium atom, the electron gain enthalpy will be same, minus 5.3 electron volt. इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालते वक्त जितनी एनर्जी देते हैं, वापस इलेक्ट्रॉन उसमें ऐड करोगे तो एनर्जी, सेम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी विल बी रिमूव्ड. Okay, so it is exothermic process, because it is amount of energy released. But in case of noble gases, their electronic configuration is complete. They are already stable. They don't want any electron. If you give electron to them, the energy we have to supply. They will not release energy. So in case of noble gases, electron gain enthalpies are positive or endothermic. What are noble gases? Noble gases are 18th group elements. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. What are the general electronic configuration for them? Outer electronic configuration is Ns2 Np6, except helium it has 1s2. मतलब they are stable electronic configuration. They don't want any electron. So for these inert gases, electron gain enthalpy is endothermic. मतलब पॉजिटिव होगा, आपको सामने से एनर्जी देना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एडेड, एनर्जी वुड बी रिलीज्ड. The released energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Clear? Now we will do how this electron gain enthalpy change in a period. First of all, in a period. Suppose we move left to right in second period elements. Electron gain enthalpy in a period. How it changes in a period. As we move left to right in a period, second period element ले लियो, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon exceptions માં આવે કારણ કે તો noble gas છે એટલે. હવે આવી રીતના આપણે આ સાઈડ મૂવ કરીએ તો electron gain enthalpy increases, मतलब more negative. Electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. मतलब more energy released. More energy released. What is the reason? Because left to right, size decrease. This way if we move, size decreases. Size decrease मतलब added electron feel more attraction. Added electron feels more attraction towards the nucleus. More attraction towards the nucleus. So more energy released. So more energy released. More energy released. और वैसे भी अगर अपन लेफ्ट टू राइट जाते हैं तो इस साइड नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होता है. दे आर नॉन मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल्स आर हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. नॉन मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. दे वांट टू गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. they don't want to lose electrons. Metals have tendency to lose electron, but as we move left to right, tendency to accept electron will be more. और इन सब में halogens की electron gain enthalpy maximum होती है. All halogens have electron gain enthalpy maximum. What is the reason? Because in case of halogens, general electronic configuration of halogen is Ns2np5. मतलब they have 7 electron in their valence orbits. If we give them 1 electron, what will happen? They will become stable. They will achieve electronic configurations like noble gases. So they readily accept electron and more energy will be released. Just in case of chlorine, configuration of chlorine is 287. अगर उसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल जाए तो आर्गन जैसा हो जाएगा. तो इन्हें तो इलेक्ट्रॉन आपो तो राजी राजी થઈ જાય. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આપી દીધું એને, ક્લોરાઇડ આયન બની જશે, બહુ બધા એનર્જી રિલીઝ થઈ જશે. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी इज मोर एंड मोर नेगेटिव. तो अगर अपन लेफ्ट टू राइट जाते हैं तो सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी नेगेटिव वैल्यू किसका होगा? फ्लोरीन का. क्योंकि जैसे ही आप लेफ्ट टू राइट जाते हो, हैलोजेंस की केस में स्पेशली अगर अपन बोलें तो they have configuration of Ns2np5, मतलब they have 7 electron in the last orbit. So their electron gain enthalpy will be maximum because after gaining 1 electron they become stable, and that's why their electron gain enthalpy is maximum. If you plot a graph for electron gain enthalpy of this period element, then it would be increase. Negative value अगर अपन लेते हैं तो it would be increases electron gain enthalpy. Suppose here we take electron gain enthalpy, here atomic number. Negative values if we take here, electron gain enthalpy. Then सबसे कम किसका होगा? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and neon maximum. Positive outside. This is lithium, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and this. So electron gain enthalpy always negative values are 11. Becomes more and more negative as we move left to right in a period. In next video we will do about electron gain enthalpy in a group.